Hello, lovely people. In the next lesson of Miyagi course, so in this lesson, you will learn about how to give styles or how to use a voice tone when you give prompts. So I think this is the most important thing that when you receive back your results from generative AI, it can understand the layers and styles. So not just the role or receiver role of context, but also the styles. So I know many people are against AI, and I would like to bring them it as a gift. So explain AI shortly in two three paragraphs. This is the base, and it gives you some sort of short explanations. It was to read it through. Very good. It's not just a fast interpretation, but also kind of a generative AI. So it learns everything from the internet, what humans ever created, and generates a new answer, new results based on the moment. So it's very smart. This went to a smart professional who never used AI. Use a friendly tone, and it gives you a very imaginative, very basic, short answer. So it was really true. People were using tech, all sorts of cool things, making realistic video games, and like explain AI as a short one, like a boosted monster. And as you will see shortly, I hope it will go through. It will give back the answer as a boosted monk. So it will be in a realm of dreams, pixels and dreams, generative AI slightly gleams from data essence. It crafts a new and earth is born, both subtle and true. Very good, very good. So, as I think this gives you an idea that you can style your answer as you want. And let's see, for example, my friend is a designer working at an agency or a small business, but he really doesn't. He's against AI and he fears of losing his job. And I want to help him to make friendship with AI and accept it as a think of it as a friend and a coach, not like an enemy. Okay, hey there, let's clear up some of those worries about AI. Think of AI like your trusted sidekick in the world of online marketing. It's here to not here to steal your job or thunder. It's here to help you, and you can read the rest. But you can see what I want to give you is you can use a styling or a voice tone of your prompting, and therefore the prompt will be or the result will be very different. And the last one, I wanted to give you an example of what if my friend is a developer and he's all against AI. He thinks it's just a hype and it will go away very soon. He's in conservative sorry, fixed mindset, and he thinks that it will nothing new on the sun. It will give you nothing important, just faster. I think this is not true, and I think this is the main thing in generative AI. So it always generates new answers, and it always learns and improves. This is amazing, by the way, and this is why you have to change your own mindset. I hope you will, because AI is here to help you and here to open up your fixed and scarcity based mindset. And picture this, you are the master of code, an architect, and AI friend is not just passing trend, it's fleeting hype or a fleeting hype. It is a beating. it is breathing out of digital revolution. So as I think it helps you open up your mindset, fix scarcity-based mindset, your abundance mindset. So I hope this video will help you and play around with this because with adding styles to your prompting, it will help you to open up. So I wanted to point out shortly that you always have to give it context and you have to give some sort of style.